Unlike many other materials, wood can be used in almost any environment. Wooden furniture can be part of a modern or rustic design, and different types of furniture can be combined in a room or an entire room. Traditionally, furniture was made of wood, but with the Industrial Revolution, furniture made of materials such as steel, aluminum, glass, and plastic emerged. Although these materials may have changed the furniture industry, wood is still the main raw material used in furniture. Trees are not only timeless but also unique. The characteristics of wooden furniture cannot be denied. Combining wood pieces with steel or glass furniture brings the natural beauty, warmth, and character of the wood to any room in your home or office. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Each piece of wood is slightly different. Even if wooden furniture is made the same way, with the same type of material, there will be subtle differences. You will notice the differences in beautifully grained woods like quarter-sawn white oak or live-edge walnut. The slight variations in the thickness and direction of each grain really pop when seen together. Further, a craftsman has much more freedom when working with wood than any other material. Solid wood is malleable in the hands of someone who knows what they are doing. There's a reason wood carving has been around since the dawn of man. Wood is nature's painting. A creative endeavor unrivaled by man-made materials. A metal furniture can never have the same kind of unique character as a wooden one. This is one of the main reasons why wooden furniture is so highly valued. Each piece you own will be utterly unique to anything else in the world. Finishing, staining, and different specialty finishing options for wood furniture can add a kind of customization to your wooden furniture as well as improving its durability. Staining your wood furniture can help you get that perfect color you've always wanted for your furniture. Staining wood can also be helpful in matching a piece of furniture to the colorway of the room you want it in. Stains are an effective way to give the wood the color you want without sacrificing the wood's natural grain or texture. Unlike furniture made from other materials, where the paint will inevitably cover up the original feel of the piece. A catalyzed varnish finish is effective in keeping the wood waterproof and preventing rot. For outdoor wooden furniture, finishing is a necessity. Many stains will seal the wood and create a barrier from rain and other liquids. This can do wonders for the long-term durability of your outdoor wooden furniture. With a stain finish, the wood on outdoor furniture will have an effective barrier erected to protect it from pests and other outside factors that could end up doing the furniture harm. Wooden furniture can fit in any home aesthetic. Rustic cherry or rustic walnut works perfectly for a home going for a rustic look. A well-placed rustic cherry chair is a wonderful rustic accent to any home. For modernists, natural walnut fits in well with a white, minimalist style. The wood's natural darker color and airy feel will blend right in. A cherry armoire can go far in completing a room's traditional look. If you're more eclectically inclined, you can have fun mixing and matching different types of wood, either throughout the house or in one room. Wooden furniture grants you a kind of subtle versatility that no other kind of furniture can. With metal and plastic, you have to rely on different kinds of paint or colored material to match the look you're going for. This means either buying a painted piece already and sticking with that color for the room or doing the painting yourself. Wood, on the other hand, retains its relevance within a home in any room. Wood furniture can be especially effective in a city apartment or cramped loft. Few things can bring nature back into a tiny urban space like a piece of expertly crafted wood furniture. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.